In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Apex Legends crash on startup or if the game doesn't open up for you, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So the first step is to simply open up this PC, go to local disk C or the disk where you have Apex Legends installed at. Now open Program Files x86, open the Origin Games folder, open the Apex folder. Now open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and double click on Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click on Yes. And now what you want to do is just simply click on Repair Service. This should take just a couple of seconds, and there it is. It says installed successfully. So this just reinstalled Easy Anti-Cheat on your PC, and now you can click on Finish. And you can close the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. The second step is to open the Origin application, go to My Game Library, right click on Apex Legends and click on Repair. This should take a couple of hours, maybe less, depending on your network and PC, and this will re-download all the necessary files that you may be missing or maybe deleted from your PC that Apex Legends needs. So I would advise you to do this if you have enough time, and this will fix your game. The second step is to right click on Apex Legends and click on Update Game. So you may be missing some update from the game that you don't have downloaded. So click on Update Game, the update will be downloaded and installed on your PC, and Apex should be fixed after this. And you can now close Origin. The third step is to click on the search bar and type CMD, right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and now what you want to do is just simply type sfc /scan now and click on Enter. This will scan your system and will re-download or will verify this will verify all of the Windows files on your PC. This should take just a couple of minutes, maybe less. I'm gonna close the command prompt right now because I don't need to verify my PC files, but you shouldn't close CMD. The fourth step is to right click on Apex Legends on your desktop, click on Open File Location, and this folder should be opened. Now right click on R5 Apex where it says Application, click on Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box and run this program as an administrator box. Once you check both of them, you can check the Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. And once you check them, just click on Apply and click on OK, and you can close the Apex folder. And the last step is when you open up Apex Legends, if there is an error about any executable file on your PC that is the reason why Apex Legends won't start up, then what you want to do is read the error, find out the file that is causing Apex Legends to shut down, right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager, go to processes, and find the process that is causing Apex Legends to shut down. Once you find it, just click on it. Let's say for example I'm gonna click on Cortana, and once you click on it, click on End Task, and this will shut down the process that is causing your game to crash. And then you can close the task manager, restart your PC, and Apex Legends should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. Bye.